The pressure switch is an important part of a PV unit safety system. It is wired in series with the Venturi gate limit switch to ensure that the intake gate will not open with the tank pressurized. Do not disengage this important safety feature. The pressure switch senses the tank pressure and, in conjunction with the Venturi limit switch, makes sure that there is no pressure in the tank before the intake gate opens. When the vacuum unit goes into vacuum mode, power is allowed to operate solenoid valves that control the opening of the gate valves. The Venturi gate opens first, and that lets the tank become open to atmosphere before the intake gate will open. When the Venturi gate opens, it activates the Venturi gate limit switch, which in turn, with the pressure switch, allow the intake gate to open. If the intake gate fails to open during vacuum cycle, the limit and pressure switch should be checked for correct operation. The limit switch should be checked to be sure that when the Venturi gate opens, the actuator rod on the knife gate closes the limit switch when the Venturi gate is fully opened. The line to the pressure switch must be checked to be sure the line is clear to the pressure switch located on the top of the tank. The pressure switch makes sure that if the pressure is too high, the gate will not open.